Hi guys, welcome to BEFE'S space. My name is Kina Befe, and guys, today we are going to be preparing a sumptuous Nigerian delicacy. Emphasis on delicacy. We are going to be preparing Ofe Nsala, aka white soup. And guess what we'll be eating with it? Pounded yam. Pounded yam, the local. Oh, don't worry, I'll take you through the ingredients and get going. Let's go. So we have our already peeled and washed yam. This is African yam. We are going to be using this for our swallow. And then we have this other one. This is also washed yam. This is also peeled washed yam. We are going to be using this as a thickener in our white soup. We have a catfish. Look at that. Yes, we're going to be making use of catfish. We're also going to be making use of our dried catfish. So you can make use of any dried fish of your choice, but if you have dried catfish, trust me, it is the best. So this is our stockfish. This is our yellow habanero pepper. This is our red habanero pepper, and then we have what we call ogiribo. This is called ogiribo. Very important. You shouldn't miss out on this. And also we have our prekese, aka hiding fruits. Then our salt to taste, of course. We have our salt to taste, and we have our cubes, and then we have our pepper soup spice. This is because this spice has every local thing I need in this soup. So if you go to a Nigerian shop, you can ask of success pepper soup spice. And then we have our crayfish, and this is called uziza seed. This seed I have already pounded, blended, just to make it smooth and to make it easy to put in our meals. We can't put it whole. So we also have what we call otazi leaf. Usually we have to make use of otazi leaf and uziza leaf. That is the leaf of the seed. But unfortunately, we could not get it. So we want to prepare a pounded yam. This is what we are going to be using for this. Usually you have to boil your yam and then pound it the local way. But anything to ease stress, my brother, my sister, it's one. Let me tell you, it's one. So this is already clean. I just want to cut my yam a little bit smaller so everything will be easy. So guys, we are going to add our water to the yam. It's going to actually boil the yam and then pound it. No stress. Don't stress yourself. Life is easy. Don't stress yourself. If you want to get this, contact me. Okay? Contact me and I'm going to put you through. So we are going to take this to raw food, because we've not boiled our yam. So we are going to take it to raw food. And then yes, it's actually doing its magic right now. So let's keep that whilst we start cooking. So guys, this is our goat meat. I'm not going to add our stockfish. We're also going to add our prekese. I'm adding a full one. At this point, I'll be adding our peppers. Please, oh, this pepper, take it according to how you can handle it. I don't want all those flavors to waste. Everything is going inside. We are also going to be adding our uziza seed. and I'll be opening our pepper soup spice to add. This is our pepper soup spice. They are small though. These people, why? Hey, this is the chicken. And then our crayfish. So at this stage, I'm going to add a little bit of water just to allow everything to cook together. You can actually boil the yam you want to use for the thickening separately, but if you want to actually infuse flavor, you can add it to the soup at this stage, so they boil together with all the flavor of the soup penetrates inside the yam. Let's just allow the flavors of everything we have added to do their work. Okay, see you later. Guys, can you see how our soup is already coming together? We will be adding our catfish soon. The reason why I haven't added our catfish, I'm supposed to have added it, but the reason I haven't is because of our yam. I still have to remove our yam. Immediately I add our catfish, I cannot stir this soup anyhow. So I want our yam to be ready so I can blend it and set aside before I add our catfish. Okay, so guys, our yam is ready. I have checked it and it's ready, so I'm putting it inside our blender, removing every piece of the yam, putting it in our blender to blend so we can use as a thickener in this soup. But you're going to be adding more water. So guys, I'm done putting it in our blender. I've added water. I'm now going to blend. I'll be right back. I'm adding more water. I think I want to add more water. Let me taste the soup now to see if I will need seasoning. I'm adding our seasoning. Guys, we are adding our pink salt. Yeah, a little goes a long way, so you have to be careful. So guys, we are adding our fish, our catfish. Hey, oh good. Hey guys, I'm just trying to look for the perfect position for this fish. So this is why I said at this stage you cannot turn the soup anyhow, because when these fishes go in, because you don't want them to scatter, you have to really be careful. So I'm going to now cover this to cook. Okay, so guys, yes, our soup is coming together beautifully. Our fish is ready. I can already see, I know. So it's time to add our thickener. So these are blended yam. You don't need to add a lot to. Little goes a long way. In fact, the rest I have to put it in the freezer. Little goes a long way because it will thicken up later. So you can actually pound this yam. You don't need to blend it. Just because I'm trying to save myself some mussels, some small mussel. That's why I decided to blend it. So let me just add this little quantity and see. Just allow it. If it's up to your consistency, then that's fine. If you want it to be thicker, you add more of the yam. But don't forget that when the soup gets cold, it gets thicker. Ooh. Soup is coming together. Oh, it has even come together. So this is the consistency we have. If you want yours to be thicker, you add more of the yam, but I love mine like this because when it gets cold, it will thicken up a bit more. So if you like yours to be more thicker, no problem, but this is a perfect consistency. A perfect consistency. Guys, you have to be careful, especially if you are making use of catfish when stirring, so your fish doesn't scatter. That's why you see that I'm really mindful the way I am stirring. So it is time to add our utazi. This is our utazi leaf. And if you have your uziza leaf, this is also the time to add it. Woo! That's how they happy. Our soup is ready. At this point, we are proud to say Ofe Nsala. White soup. Nigeria have soup. You want to start? You want to start? It's time for you to bring your plate, bring your fufu, your gari, your semo, because it's about to go down. For me, I'm making use of my pounded yam. Not pando, pounded yam. Correct. Food done. Guys, our yam is ready. Ooh. Guys, look at that. Can you see that? So guys, look at that. Can you see that? Correct. Can you see that there is no lump? No lump at all. Smooth. If you want to order this at home, please just call my line and I will do this for you. Guys, I want to know, how do you cut your fufu or your semo or your gari? Do you just cut like this, like the one you can throw in your mouth at once, or you are part of this gang? Yeah. Very good. Naija get food though. Let me take fish. Oh, at this point, just keep the swallow going. better food. Mm. It's time to go and sit down. Mm-hmm.